Hey everybody, Jason here with Breath Brick Builds. We are on the final build of the Creator kit number 31126 Supersonic Jet. Powerboat and helicopter. Has 215 listed pieces for the main build. Now if we look on the back, we're going to build the helicopter today. Last of the three. So, let's see here. We've got powerboat, main build, got our pieces, and then we have our instructions for the helicopter. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and hop on in here. I imagine it'll be like the powerboat we did a couple weeks back. It'll use a good portion of the pieces, but not nearly all of them. And we'll see how it goes. Still fighting this cold I had. I can't shake it. It won't go away. Or you think it's gone away and then it comes back a couple days later. It is a treat. I mean, that's all I can say about it. It's determined. It is not going away. It's no fun at all. That's what I'm trying to say. We'll get in here, see how the copter looks. Very quiet. These pieces popping together. Do my ASMR builds, it's like there's almost no clicks anymore with some of these sets. It kind of defeats the purpose of the ASMR building sometimes. Now, these pieces here. Ordered some stuff from Amazon the other day, and not Lego related, just some other stuff that I needed. And I don't know if your experience with Amazon has been any different than mine, but lately, it's like, holy cow, pay 150 bucks a year and get stuff within 2 or 3 days of when it was promised to you. It's, gotta be honest, I'm not really pleased about it this way. So now I'm waiting for them. And then my favorite thing they do is they do, hey, here's your stuff, it's out for delivery, and then you get another email that says, it has been handed off to the person that's gonna make like the final delivery. And then you're like, well, that's great, because either way, but they mark it as delivered at that point. It's like, I don't have it unless I got it in my hot little hand. That is not delivered to me yet. Here, this plate piece going on. 2 1x4 black plate. Anyway, complaining about Amazon. First world problems there. Wondered if I was alone in that. Come up here on the Memorial Day weekend, which means my neighborhood will sound like some kind of militarized zone for the next week as people set off hundreds of dollars worth of fireworks nearly every night for everyone's enjoyment, whether you want to hear them or not. Poor little doggies, cats. My girlfriend's one cat, she don't care. She will lay in the window in the middle of a thunderstorm and sleep. The other guy, Cole, that poor little kitty, he will be in his special secret hiding place in the basement for most of the time. Always makes me laugh. It always seems like they would just go, hey, look, it's not hurting that one, so it won't hurt me, but they never seem to, I should say, really grasp that. What are we doing here? We've got a grill piece. There we are, blue grill piece. And a couple of these quarter round guys. There's the other one. all around my hand. Down there. Grab this. Sorry about that. Had a little cough I had to edit out there, because what started as a cough just went on and on and on. Okay, 1 by 2 whites to the roof shade blue piece. One, so there's a 2, and then 2 of the stuff here that I'm knocking off the table. There we go. 2 of these blue guys with the cheese wedge pieces on them. Back there. And we have a couple of 1 by 1 grays. One there, one there. Blue cheese wedge piece, and blue cheese wedge piece. Cheese wedge piece. Using the proper English. At least I'm assuming the front. I don't know. It might be the rear. I'm really looking at this. Technic pieces on the inside. I had to record during the day. That's why I'm recording during the day here, because don't, the aforementioned fireworks in the evening. And by evening, I mean they start setting them off before it's even justifiably dark. I've lived a few places in the country, but they don't. I mean, their enthusiasm for shooting off fireworks during the day here is unparalleled. Right there. A couple of the clear, which I think is going to represent the like the side of the cabin, maybe, or the air cabin, the air cockpit. White. 2 of the white cheese wedge type pieces. There's 1. And there should be 1 more. Sometimes fishing out that last 1 more out of a big pile is a little more involved than you would think it would be. There it is. These white hinge guys that are going to go to the gray hinge piece. Second white hinge. Go there. And tilt back. Same here. Onto here. Tilt it back. 10 pieces there, and then have a blue one here. There it is. Pieces are getting toward the edge of the table there, getting a little sketchy. A little sketchy. There. Another 1 by 2 white. Really making use of those. Set out the side. There. Turning back over. So I'm thinking that's definitely going to be the tail section now. Let's see what's happening. It's going to go there. It's going to press here. This here being used for the windscreen. On back as shown, got a 1x4 right there, kind of bring the cabin out. Oh, 1x2. Should be one more. I'm going to trust Lego's count there. Pull that up. This is on. This looks more like a proper terminology, like one of those Coast Guard kind of helicopters. Let me say I'm gonna move them. Oh, I see. Not the side piece. Cat hair. Going over there. Oh, jeez. Another one of the roof tile type cheese wedge pieces. On the side there. This side. That should actually be, yeah, with that piece, one piece back. So, that move where it needs to go. Here, L90s again. Two plates. One more of the almost like the side doors. Moves up to here and then comes around and then Just had that one going the wrong way. Now we're in business. Missing the stud count somewhere, and I got it now. So the front and these here. More adding to the cockpit effect of the helicopter. More. Tail sections of assembly. 1x2s here. There. Tail wings. And then the vertical fin. There. That's going to overhang off the rear. That. Chuck that piece here, and then the orange. Let's put on there, or one more back that way. That's better. So assembly of the engine here. I think it's the engine. Front and the exhaust setup, I guess. There. I'll put that on top of the helicopter. The blades going together here for the rotor. The other black one before it goes across that build. It's only a 2-rotor setup. Kind of. Sort of. End of the rotor, to really extend them over here with this. Oh, that's it. Okay. Well, there we have it. The helicopter portion of the build for kit number 31126. One of the 3-in-1 creator kits. Now I have the helicopter set. There. So there we have it. I want to thank you for stopping by. If you would be so good as to hit us with a like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it. Helps us out, helps you out, helps channel out, algorithm, all the keywords there. I'm Jason with Brett's Brick Builds. We'll be back next week with some more new builds, classic builds, ASMR, reviews, speed builds, we run the whole gamut of that kind of stuff. Just want to say thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.